Hello everyone, this is me Nitish Kumar Pale. In our last class we have discussed about in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. But now we will prove that if opposite sides are equal then it will become also a parallelogram. Okay, look, this is a parallelogram A, B, C and D. You know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are parallel, and by this property in our last section we have proved that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Okay, but right now we have to prove that if opposite sides are equal then it becomes parallelogram. How? If we prove that in this diagram opposite sides are equal, and by the equal property if we prove opposite sides are parallel then we can say that it is a parallelogram. Okay, right now the given is AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. That means if opposite sides are equal, it will become a parallelogram. How? Then we have to prove that opposite sides are equal, then the opposite sides will be parallel. How can we prove that opposite sides are parallel? Okay, so for that we have to construct a diagonal, that is AC. Okay, so if AC is a diagonal, and if we look here, AB and CD are two lines and AC is the transversal, if anyhow we can prove this angle and this angle, which are alternate interior angle, will be equal, then we can say that AB parallel to CD. Similarly, if in anyhow we can prove these two angles are equal, their alternate interior for AD line and BC line, and if alternate interior angles are equal then it becomes parallel. So we have to right now prove that these angles are equals. Okay, look how we should think. The given is opposite sides are equal, then we know that if opposite side become parallel then we can say that it is a parallelogram. So then as we have to prove that opposite sides are parallel, then we have to prove these angles are equal. Okay, look, given AB equals to CD and AD equals to BC. Okay, so given is ABCD is a quadrilateral and opposite sides are equal. We have to prove that if opposite sides are equal then it will become a parallelogram. So first of all we have to show that opposite sides are become parallel, then we can say that this are a parallelogram. Okay, so to prove ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, so in construction what we write? Join AC. ओके, AC को ज्वाइन करना है, ठीक है। तो अभी देखो ADC ट्रायंगल एंड ABC ट्रायंगल में तुम्हारा ABCD इक्वल गिवन है, AD एंड BC इक्वल गिवन है, AC इज योर कॉमन, सो वी कैन राइट दैट ADC triangle congruent to ABC triangle. What do you mean by congruence? Congruence means these two triangles are equal, completely equal. Okay, so how these two triangles are equal? By the side property. Side property. S property. That means this side equal to this side equal to this side, and this one is your common side. Okay, look. For making congruency, you have to be thorough about the congruency of triangle. Okay, in our last section we also discussed that how many types of congruency of triangle are there, congruency property are there. Okay, so you have to focus on that. Look, so if we are going to prove it, then we will write in triangle ADC and in triangle ABC. Okay, your AD equals to BC given. Always mention the region, proper region in the bracket. Okay, AB equal to DC also it is given, and AC is common. So according to these three sides, ADC triangle become congruent to ABC triangle by side and side. S property. Okay, so as the two triangles are congruents, we can write their corresponding parts will be congruent. Okay, so how can you find which angle is corresponding to which angle? So for that you have to look the opposite side AB. Opposite side of AB is CD. So AB and CD are equal. So which is the opposite angle of AB in triangle ABC? Opposite side angle of AB is your ACB. And which is the opposite angle of CD in triangle ADC? That is DAC. So as ABCD are equal, so DAC equal to ACB. We can write that implies DAC equals to ACB. ACB. By what? Corresponding part of congruence triangle. By CPCD. Okay, fine. Then again we can write by this. That is ACD. ACD equals to BAC. That is your CPCD. Okay. So right now we can say that these two parts will be equal. Okay. Look, but these two angles are alternate interior. Alternate interior angle. As these two angles are alternate interior and also they are equal, we can say that AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. Okay, so here we can write AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC as alternate interior angles are equal. That implies ABCD is a parallelogram. Proved. Hence it is proved. Okay, so fine. If you are going to solve these theorems, you have to repeatedly practice it again and again. Then you can easily get your concepts. Okay, thank you for watching me.